these tomatoes.
We have scallions if you want.
Wow.
Meat,
That looks like that's juicy, like a vagina.
parsley.
Yeah.
She got eggplant.
Look at the peppers over there.
Yeah. Johnny.
You guys got rosemary in this?
Essa é Carla, filho. Você não vai morder ela, não, né?
That one is a fig tree too.
No, I will take some green onions.
Please tell the vlog what you guys used to do here.
So,
Introduce yourself first, because technically you've never really introduced yourself to the vlog.
right. So, my name is Carla. I'm Stephanie's bestie since we were like 12. And there used to be a ladder that we would put against this wall of the shed. And we would come with our itsy bitsy teeny weeny bikinis and climb up there, put mad blankets, and then tan. And then we would bring a bowl of ice, and then whenever we got hot, we like put it on our stomach, and it would like melt.
Or if our bowl melted, then my grandma would come up the ladder
And give us
"Here you
another
go,
bowl.
girls."
You guys are ridiculous.
Where
And we
tan.
used to have like fire cans. Like
we were.
I'm pasty right now. 'Cause I don't tan anymore.
And then up here we have the grape tree. We got all the grapes from the summer already, so it's a little bare.
We were younger. Hey, okay.
Oh my God.
She looks like she's ready for like the 90s like workout.
Se vocês apresentarem
Not the
alguma
forehead,
coisa,
it's
assim,
even
estão
worse.
abusando da veinha, coitadinha.
Well, you know, thank God Steph is not a hairstylist. She'd have very angry customers.
Oh my God.
Ok, volta. Muitos anos de vida. É pique, é pique, é pique, é pique, é pique. É hora, é hora, é hora, é hora, é hora. Ha, chi, mu, vá, vá, vá. Oh, you're seaside, be careful! Wow, you're really ready. Deixa eu ver, vó. E pimentinha?
Eu vou tirar agora.
Yeah? What are you doing, Smell? Good morning, guys! Happy Monday! It's a new week. I had to straighten my hair because I washed my hair yesterday because it smelled like straight up barbecue. And I woke up today and my hair was like, looked crazy. Come to realize Portugal fried our Revlon brush.
Yeah.
And it didn't work, so I had to straighten my hair today, which just means that we need to go buy another brush because that is my go-to. It's a quick. What is going on today? Today's Monday, so that means I'm heading into work. But I'm gonna make myself a smoothie so I have for breakfast, or at least around like 10 when I start feeling hungry at work. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I'm not sure if Lei has vlogged yet, but I'm home from work. Lei picked me up with Brew. voila, we have meatballs, smashed potatoes, zucchinis, and a side of tomato cucumber salad, of course Texas Pete, and our favorite polar seltzer. Taking a shot with Karol G.
Familia, y esta noche quiero brindar por los sueños de las 80 almas que están aquí. Y quiero brindar por los sueños de las personas que nos ven en la casa. Quiero brindar.
Cheers.
Morning, it's Wednesday.
Morning, my people.
Yesterday, Steph was having a Karol G concert because she was live.
In the living room. That was my Tuesday afternoon concert.
Yeah, it was at 7, so evening.
Yeah. It's my Tuesday evening concert.
Yesterday, I did lashes. They all came off. So I guess not the vlog. So
They look.
they actually look cute, but
Good.
I forgot how good it feels not to have anything on your eyes. So I was thinking of doing it again. I don't think so,
Dude, you had it for like less than 24 hours.
but I don't think I'm doing it again.
No? How long did it take you to do it?
2 minutes.
Two minutes?
10.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's not. Just that my eyelashes feel a little sticky right now because
The
of
glue?
the bond, yeah. But I remembered yesterday a girl that I used to watch, she would put bond and then she would put bond on the lash.
On top?
On
Like
the
a
lash. And then, so it would last. I had to wash my eyes. I was like, well, we're gonna have breakfast, sit on the couch, and then maybe get our day started. And we'll see you guys a little later. Just got back from my run/walk. Went to Dunkin'. Man, the park, it smelled so bad. So gross. 3 already. And I wanted to show you guys where I am at with my book. I only have 4 hours and 15 minutes left. So that means we are going to finish this and buy the other one. Should we just do that now? So we're already motivated. Okay, so that's that. Anyways, I would really appreciate if you guys went to follow me on TikTok. I've actually been putting a lot of effort in my TikTok, and I don't know, it's a different side of like what you see in Steph Lei Adventures. If you're more into beauty, if you're more into just beauty lifestyle type of thing, that's where you will find it. It's more of, I guess, like my page. Here you get Steph and I, but there you just get me, Lei. And yeah, I would really appreciate it if you guys went and followed me. I'm going to leave all my information here, and then our links are always down below, but I would really appreciate it.
Me too. Follow my girl.
Today, Steph is making fajitas. I'm so excited about that. What do I want to do today? I want to get some work done, maybe read the book that I'm reading, which is the 7-Year Slip, I think it is. I finally started getting back into reading, and I think just listening to the audiobook really helped me. I'm trying to think. I ordered a bag and I cannot wait. I've been checking on the status of it and it just says in transit. So Bloomies, let's get it together. Steph placed an Amazon order, I think. No?
Right now.
Oh, she hasn't. But
do a quick,
there'll be a,
you know, a quick making sure we have everything we need. Because we
There's
always forget something.
an Amazon haul coming up then. We need to go buy candles because literally this is our last candle for the house. Yeah.
You want to go buy candles today?
We can, but we also need to go to Whole Foods. Brew, we have to get brew food and stuff, so.
Do they have your milk at Walmart?
Probably.
Maybe they have the creamer.
Oh, Steph wants to get this creamer.
It's only a Walmart.
So we could.
It's a sugar-free Chobani creamer, sweet cream creamer, and I looked at it online and they only have it at Walmart.
Here, I got a medium for us. There's a few things that we have going on. I can't believe it's the end of July.
I just confirmed with our Airbnb for our getaway.
Our nails are next weekend. I think I'm going back to my long shorty nails because I've been seeing all these really cute nails and I'm just like, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. And for fall nails with long almond shaped nails, chokehold. And then I have my hair appointment in August.
Lei does have her appointment on the 21st, I think.
I'm going blonde for the fall. But
I'm not gonna go blonde for the fall.
Is this just for these 2 months?
Yeah.
That's fine. That happens. Just do like a darker brown, but not too dark that you won't see.
Yeah, that's what I want. Like, I don't know how to create that.
I also think your hair straight is not the vibe.
Yeah, so I have to order. That's part of the Amazon haul because I liked it blow dried.
We will see you a little bit later when we're having dinner. Yeah, I love you guys. We'll see you in a little bit.
Done. Well, Lei is done. I was here for moral support. I love me a good ginger shot. Cheers.
When it's cold, it'll be good.
Lei is able to fill this up.
And a little bit over here.
And how many gingers do you have? Like a 3, 4?
About 3 bags.
Three bags of, ooh, this is my favorite. Look how cute these little shots say Lani and Steph. This is what Lei's mom got us like a few years back. That what an app. Very Spanish of her, but
cheers.
Cheers. Wow, it looks so beautiful.
Oh, that's good. Good. That's so good.
I love it. Thank you, baby. Love it. Beets are nature's natural lipstick, by the way.
Happy
Thursday.
Thursday. Oh, this is my cup. Back at it.
Made Lei some toast with light butter. And we got our coffees. And Lei's gonna watch Ghostbusters as she fell asleep on me with yesterday.
Love you guys.
let's make banana bread. This is the final product. Just came out of the oven.
Wow, super chocolatey.
Yeah, I put a lot of cocoa powder. I put coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Give you guys an Amazon haul. This is gonna be a part 1 of maybe 2, maybe 3, because I just found out Lei placed another order. Go figure. Workout. I asked for everything to be in the same box, but as usual, they don't listen. So the first thing is baby wipes. Got these. Lei told me to get these for my hair. The heatless curling set. We'll see if I like it. If not, those are getting returned. Got a pack of Ultima electrolytes. Amazing. And then I got a new hair dryer. What else did I order? Oh, this is probably something for Lei. Yep, this is for Lei. This leave-in conditioner she loves. And that's it for now. We're waiting on the other 2 to 3 packages, I guess, because Amazon likes to ship things in various boxes versus 1. Plan is for us to get pizza, a slice or 2,
Okay.
and then to get dessert magnolia, because there is a limited edition magnolia banana pudding with coffee, and the train is coming. Hey guys, I'm so sorry, but we forgot you inside Lei's purse. So we ate. Hopefully that video came out great for you to see, because we were dealing with TikTok footage. And then we ended up getting magnolia, and it's pretty empty. This flavor is cold brew. It smells delicious.
Coffee, yeah. But I don't really
But
taste
it's not
it.
as strong.
I wish it had more coffee flavor.
Lei is a caffeine addict. That's why. And you see, she wants to get a coffee now. Let's see where we're at. We are currently in the East Village. And I don't know if there is a Gregory's, but we're about to find out. Do you want 25 minutes for cafe?
Time for the beach. I just added this cute little charm to our camera. How cute! Let's see if Steph likes it. If she doesn't like it, then obviously I'll have to take it away. But, guys, my trigeminal neuralgia came back. We are hoping that it's not a long run this time. And I'll put what it is here. And you'll see how much fun I have. But if you ever see me twitching or anything like that, it's because of it. So we love it. We love to share our struggles. Everybody has their own struggles, and this is mine and Steph's because she suffers with me, which I love her, but it's tough. Anyways, we're heading to the beach because if we're gonna be in pain, might as well do it at the beach.
We are back from the beach. We showered. My hair's still wet and I decided to cook. I was in the mood to make something that I thought Lei might like. It's a pastelón de papas. So it's mashed potato, ground meat, and then mashed potato on top and some cheese. So think of it as like a potato lasagna vibes. And it looks amazing. Tomorrow is Sunday fun day. We have a few things planned, but so far just eat. We came from the beach. I don't look as tan as I look in real life on the camera. I don't know why, but right now I'm giving nice salted caramel donut on the camera, and then in person I'm more like a chocolate glaze. But besides that, I'll show you guys what I made, and then we'll keep you posted throughout the day.
Ending the vlog here. I did my hair. So, new bitch, who's this? Steph is down here keeping me company.
I'm waiting.
I'm done already.
And Boo Boo's here.
And Bruce all the way over here.
You're also waiting for Mama Bear?
We decided to do our hair and we're just chilling. I'm about to start editing this vlog, so by the time you see this, hi. But we will see you next week. We love you guys. Thank you for following and just showing up for us. We love ya.